First of all, a very good morning to our lecturer, Madam Parmisa. Today, our group consisting of 4 people, including myself, Melvin, and you can call me Glenn. Would like to present our topic about. Our topic is about bleeding on concrete. So, I can say that the bleeding on concrete is a phenomenon, is a natural phenomenon in concrete because this is it shows a situation that water water came out from the concrete. So we can say that bleeding on concrete is a situation that show, for example, this is a concrete and suddenly there's a water on it, the water, and the question is where's the water come from. It is because segregation, and when the water come out or rising up from the concrete, we can say that is the bleeding in concrete. So for the further information, let me try to draw the situation on example. So this is an example, not so good, but I try to make it to explain it. Can you see this, madam? As you can see here, so this is the title, bleeding of concrete, and this is the situation here about bleeding of concrete. So this is the situation, the occurrence. This one, this three. Okay, this is a concrete, and this is a water. So like I said just now, the water rise up from the concrete. So when that's happened, it's mean the bleeding in concrete is happening. It's a cure. So we can conclude it that it is a bleeding in concrete or segregation. And that's all from me for the part of introduction.
Also, this part, I would like to talk about the effect of bleeding in concrete. But first, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nicolenjo Mason with registration number 07 DKE 22F2009. So, there are few factors that cause of bleeding in concrete. Segregation is the cause of bleeding in the concrete mix. Segregation is the phenomena in which have heavy aggregate particle settle down due to salting of heavy particle water passes up to the surface and form a layer. This upward movement of water also carry fine particle of cement with it the top surface of slab and pavement will not have good wearing quality. Bleeding bleeding will be more frequent on the surface of concrete when water to cement ratio is higher. The type of cement used quantity of fine aggregate also play a key role in rate of bleeding.
Today I will discuss about the effect caused by concrete bleeding. Before that, I want to tell my name and my matrix number. My name is Yus Adriansyah. My matrix number 07 di KE 22F 2019. Oke, itulah. First effect is result of bleeding concrete lose its homogeneity. The next is bleeding is liable for inflicting permeability in concrete. Then bleeding can sometimes reduce the bond between cement paste and aggregate. In this process, bleed water accumulates under the aggregate, creating voids resulting in a reduction in strength of the bond between cement paste and aggregate. This process results in the reduction of concrete strength. Then, similarly, water that accumulates beneath the reinforcing bars blade under the cracked bars reduce the bond between the reinforcement and concrete. If a slip type paver is used for the building of concrete pavement, the bleeding water can cause critical issue. If an excessive amount of bleeding water accumulates on the surface of the pavement slab, it can lead the collapse of slabs of sites. Lastly, in pavement construction, bleeding water is one of the cause of delay surface finishing and curing compound application.
In conclusion, there's also ways to reduce bleeding in concrete, such as reducing the water content or using lower slump mix, using finer cements, increasing the amount of fine in the sand, use supplementary cementation materials, or use air entraining admixtures. Generally, water reducer will decrease bleeding, but they may actually end up increasing this rate based on their chemical composition. Air entraining admixtures can also reduce bleeding by increasing cohesion in the fresh concrete and slowing segregation. That's all from us. Thank you.